So for this assignment, students are going to be learning how to use some different types of photo editing software. The one I chose to look at is called PicMonkey, PicMonkey. PicMonkey is a great tool to use for students who want to create things like brochures, business cards, ads, stuff like that. Very important things to be able to do in this time. So for this particular assignment, we are asking the students to create 4 different ads for any big company that they prefer, do some research on that. So the objective is to create 4 different ads which you think will represent the company well and just really show their beliefs and what they do basically. Students are going to be put into different groups to work on this together. I think it'll be easier that way. So the first step is typing in PicMonkey in whichever browser you prefer. I'm using Google Chrome. When you get to the website, you are going to have to sign up for a free trial. This is not a free website, but the free trial does last a while, and I do not plan on using this program often. So when you get to the website, you sign up for the free trial, and afterwards you can start creating basically anything. You can either upload an image from one of your own devices, or you can start from a blank slate, and that's what I chose to do today. I chose just a square blank slate, and these tabs over here on the left, pretty self-explanatory. You can add text, photos, backgrounds, frames, textures, things of that nature. They have a lot of interesting designs you can choose from, which I think makes it really interesting, and you can really show your style and stuff like that. I chose to do just some different kind of stuff. You can kind of play around with it and see what you want to do. But yeah, if anyone has any questions.